What if I told you, the next global pandemic is already lurking in the shadows? Silent. Deadly. Waiting. We've seen it before: SARS, Ebola, COVID-19. But this time, the threat comes from something even more sinister: bird flu. And it's not a matter of if, but when. Bird flu, officially known as H5N1 and H5N8, has been quietly circulating in wild birds and poultry for decades. But now, it's making moves that should terrify all of us. In recent years, outbreaks have intensified. Millions of birds have died, and the virus has started jumping to mammals, foxes, seals, even bears. The next step? Humans. Right now, bird flu struggles to infect humans directly. But when it does, the results are horrific. Over 50% of infected people die. That's worse than Ebola. Worse than the Black Death. But here's the real nightmare: bird flu is evolving. Scientists fear that just a few mutations or a mix with human flu could create a virus that spreads like wildfire. A virus with a death rate 100 times worse than COVID-19. All it takes is one mutation. One jump. One superspreader event. And the world changes forever. You'd think we'd be ready after COVID-19. Think again. Bird flu vaccines? Limited. Treatments? Nearly non-existent. Global response plans? A mess. If this virus gains traction, there's no stopping it. Imagine another lockdown, only this time, it's deadlier. More brutal. Hospitals overwhelmed in days. Food supplies crashing. Panic spreading faster than the virus itself. Sounds like a horror movie, right? Except it's real. And it could happen soon. So, what can you do? For now, stay informed. Be cautious around wild birds. And most importantly, watch how this virus moves. Because when the next pandemic starts, it won't give us a warning. The next deadly outbreak could be days away. The world isn't ready. Are you? Stay ahead of the crisis. Subscribe now for updates before it's too late.